Mango is the national fruit of Pakistan, which is loved by one and all. It is a very juicy, pulpy fruit. Ripe mangoes can either be consumed raw or in the form of salad, juice, jams, milkshake or pickles. Mango is a rich source of various vitamins and minerals. It is regarded as the king of fruits and comes in various shapes and sizes. There are huge variety of mangoes which are cultivated in Pakistan like Chaunsa, Dasari, Langda, Badami, among others. It grows extensively during the summer season across various parts of Pakistan. Mango is my favorite fruit because it has a sweet and refreshing flavor. In addition to its taste, the fruit has many nutritional and health benefits too. Mango is a tasty fruit and everyone loves its juicy and lip-smacking flavor.